Hey everyone, I'm Parul. Welcome back to my channel. So, today's video is all about denims and how to style them, just a basic outfit for everyday looks. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. So, without further ado, let's get started. In this first outfit, I paired black distressed jeans with printed tank top and boots. For the second outfit, I paired denim overalls with off-shoulder top. I think it looks so cute and girly. For the third outfit, I paired denim skirt with olive green t-shirt with front note. I think this is best for casual look. Now, this is my favorite outfit. I paired denim jacket with tennis skirt. I think this looks so cute. Now for this outfit, I paired skinny jeans with black lace top and heels. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Love and lots of love.